And Leah said, "Here cometh a troop," and she called his name Gad. He shall overcome at the last. Overcome, Gad, overcome. At the last, Gad, overcome. Overcome, yeah, overcome, overcome.
They were all together last night celebrating the holiday, but as Eyewitness News reporter Evelyn Holmes tells us, something went terribly wrong.
We just placed it down. He went to light the firework and it just exploded.
A concerned Edwin Tavanal talks about how it only took a few seconds for some holiday fun to turn tragic after a freak accident leaves his 14-year-old nephew, Enrique Anaya, critically injured when a firework explodes in his face. He says he was with the teen when it happened around 8 o'clock in the evening, the day after the 4th of July, outside the southeast side home the teen shares with his family.
There was some leftover fireworks from the night before. Didn't think anything of it. We just went to the alley and we were going to blow them off. No one was doing anything different.
Enrique was rushed to the University of Chicago Comer Children's Hospital, where he remains with his mother by his side. Enrique's family says they don't know exactly when he will get out of the hospital, but they say when he does, he has a long recovery ahead of him. The force of the firework caused severe trauma to the right side of the teen's face. Relatives say the 8th grader lost his right eye and will need reconstructive surgery. His aunt says Enrique is very athletic and hopes his injuries won't dash his dreams of playing professional sports.
He plays baseball. He won championship a couple of times. He also plays basketball. He's really good at basketball. Ricky rides four-wheelers. Ricky does everything, good grades, everything.
This afternoon, while the family says they're struggling with the tragedy but grateful Enrique is still alive, his uncle says he's sworn off fireworks as he makes a plea to others to stay safe.
Don't leave it, let your kids do it. You know, it might just be fun at the moment, but you never know when the situation is going to happen.
Evelyn Holmes, ABC 7.